Welcome or welcome back everyone to our 1466 weekly recaps. I'm Keely and we have another electrifying week for you. We have been very focused on getting CAD progress so that the parts that need to be custom made can be ordered. Mechanical has been prototyping to help this process as well. We have settled on a spindexer and different variations from using an omni wheel to using a divided system have been prototyped. To make this variation process easier, we have a template that shows us where to drill the holes for the spindexer. Our shooter is in the process of being built so that testing can begin as well. Those working on the climber are researching either a telescoping arm, a rotating climb, or a one-stage elevator climb. CAD has been hard at work this week with the goal of a semi-complete robot CAD. This involves figuring out the spacing and connections between the various components. They have also designed and cut an intake prototype that can be tested on our backup swerve drive base. Our awards team has submitted our Woody Flowers essay, and the impact essay is nearing the editing stage. This weekend, 2 of our Webb FLL teams are headed to state, so wish them luck. And 1445 is making progress with their Everybot with a finished climber component and progress on the intake. Going into the second half of the build season, we are going to focus on getting components made and onto the robot. See you guys then!